also want to know a little bit about sort of how you juggle being a student, sort of like your personal responsibilities at home, what your sort of like your assignments. Can you talk us through what that has been like?
Okay, I cannot work all 7 days. You always need 1 or 2 days to relax, and I would say that all students who are coming to Canada should have that 2 days to themselves, not caring about any studies or not caring about also their part-time jobs and everything. I do have a part-time job here at the university itself, so it's like 2 days of the week are full classes from 8:30 in the morning till 4:30, 5:30 you are in your classes. So those days I do not expect myself to do a lot after I come back home, because by the time I come back home, it's 5:30, sometimes it's 6. So after that, I'm not left with any energy to do anything. I barely cook for myself. Me and my roommate, we watch a movie or we watch a show and we just go to sleep. And on other days, since I have a part-time job, so my whole day revolves around that. But you also need to have your own study time, your personal time. But I would say during the weekdays, it is impossible for you to make time to do a lot of things around your home. And if you are cooking yourself, so I prefer to cook myself. So I prefer to do a lot of meal preps on a day that I have the whole day to myself. So I feel like, okay, at least I need to have a next 3-4 days of preparation done so that I don't have to do a lot of uh, on that day. Like I don't have to do a lot of preparation and cooking, and so wait, put
Mhm.
down so much time into that. So that has been, but weekly once, of course, you need to give 1 day. So for me, like Sundays are the day where I go for groceries, where I do my laundry, I clean my room, and those days, and then relaxing. But I would say that you should have at least 1 day. That is how I am managing everything, because the whole week is, you have work, you have studies, you have part-time job, you have to go to the class, come back, make the commute, and do a lot of things around, then cook, eat, also do the assignments, also do homework, which I would say assignments and homework's not a big part, but it still is. Not initially, but of course it gets hectic. Then you have to study, self-study, exams, a lot of things happens. So the whole week goes like that, and you can barely make time for yourself or to sit around and chill with your friends. You don't get time for that during the weekdays. But for me, it's Saturday. So Saturday is the whole day where, now that it's summer, lot of beaches, lot of rivers are opening up. There's a sea bus that goes on from one part of the Vancouver to other part, and you can just take that bus, go there, enjoy your time. So
Mhm.
that is how I do it. So prioritizing is like, okay, weekdays, I know I don't have any time. And I would say everyone who's coming to Canada should know that you will have to do all your things yourself. You will have to do your laundry, cooking, groceries, everything by yourself. If you're not a good cook, sure, there are a lot of lunch services that goes on here, and they are not very expensive, and they deliver food to your home. That food will be like for the whole day, and you don't have to cook anything. So that is one less job to do, less dishes to clean, less things to cook. So that is good. But other than that, yes, you need to clean, you need to do your laundries, and if you are like someone like me who wants to cook, you need to go get your groceries yourself, and you don't have a car, you have to carry everything, you have to bring it back, put everything away. So yes, there is a lot of work that you'll have to do by yourself, and there will be no help. No, I'm not sugarcoating this. This is the reality. You have to do a lot of work.